Yesterday in the test kitchen, I made a London broil that melts in your mouth. And boy, was it easy. Well, today we're making the roasted potatoes that we teamed it up with. They're basic, but they always get rave reviews. So what do you say I show you how easy they are so you can make them on steak night or any night? We start by cutting up 2 to 3 pounds of red skin potatoes into chunks. We actually like using the smaller red skin potatoes since they hold up better and give us more color. Now, we toss them with some vegetable oil, along with a bit of paprika, garlic, and onion powder, and some salt and pepper. Once they're well coated, we spread them on a rim baking sheet, and into the oven they go for 45 minutes or so until they're fork tender. We're going to want to turn them a couple of times to make sure the edges get all crispy. And when you serve them topped with some crunchy fried onions, there's no telling how fast they'll disappear. And these go great with anything from steak, like we did yesterday, to chicken or burgers. So here's what I suggest. Go online and get the recipe for our roasted party potatoes. So you'll be armed with an easy side dish that is party perfect. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a tasty way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Delicious. You love your taters. This is mine. Mm-hmm.